repairing a broken tip on the Yanagi on the curved side. I got to retain the curvature of this blade. First of all, I'm going to remove the chip here, even out everything, and thin this whole portion. Point number one, I'm going to scrape off. With a curve, I must move from right to left. It cuts into the stone. This is a 320 grit stone. Okay. You can see I've removed the chip. Okay. Now the curve is slightly out, so it's always right to left. Now I'm going to thin the whole portion here. I put it flat. The movement is still from right hand side of the stone. Follow the curve. Okay. Tip, tip, down. And I got to thin the flat surface until the shinogi line. Okay. The chip is gone. Now I will thin as much as I want on this whole blade face area. Possibly from here to here. I put it flat, right to left. Focus where I put this finger is critical. This is the upper part, go to the lower part. But the movement must be follow the curve. If I do straight this way, I'm going to straighten the edge. I spoil the profile of the knife. So I'll keep on doing this. If the curve is not so good, almost 45 degrees, change the shape and do this thing. And this is a fast and aggressive stone. If it's a bigger chip, I will use a rougher stone. But this 320 stone is a good stone. See, from tip down, tip down. Okay. Okay. Done.